someone's trying to get in, etc. So what about the person that has no house and it's cold out? What rights does that person have? They're called homeless people, right? Big issue in our town. Not just our town, lots of towns, because we don't know what we're doing when it comes to this kind of thing, because our social contract doesn't say. I mean, we keep futzing with the contract, changing it, we call it voting and things on that. Do you have a right to a car? No. Nobody says you have a right to a car, except Carole King. Carole King sings, Lord, won't you buy me a Mercedes-Benz? My friends all drive Porsches, I must make amends. That's it. Carole King is a song back in the day. But no, Lord doesn't have to give you a Mercedes-Benz, or even a Mini Cooper. Who's playing chess, by the way?
Me and Glenn.
Cool. That's a chessboard. Could be a checkers board. That probably is a chessboard. So that's a whole nother issue we could get into, but I'll quit. It's fun, but we're actively engaged in deciding who's in the contract, who isn't. Remember, our original contract was just white males that own property. The people like George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, John Adams, those kinds of folks. Madison, Monroe. But we changed the contract. Different points in our history. We're still changing the contract. An important part of that is that there are no specifically God-given rights. Certain individuals thought there were. But today, no one says that they're God-given rights. Not anyone that's a socially, like a social science student. But God says everybody deserves a home. Too much fun. See you next week. Be safe.